Hey guys, it's Ashley with Pugs and Pearls, and tonight I am so excited. My May Boxy Charm just came in the mail today. It's been a while. I keep seeing people upload their videos and I have not watched any of them because I want no spoilers. I love to be surprised. And let's just rewind to recap. This is actually my first Boxycharm box. I originally started out with Ipsy many years ago, had done Ipsy for years. When Sephora Play came out, I started it from the very beginning, and then they did their last subscription box in April, and then they canceled their service. And I had just canceled Ipsy because I was preferring Sephora Play more, so I had stopped getting Ipsy, and when Sephora stopped, I didn't have any subscription services. So I asked you guys what you've been loving. I started doing a bunch of research to see what is out there these days for subscription boxes. I love unboxings. I think it's so much fun to just get a surprise in the mail. You get to try new makeup. And in my research, there weren't a lot of bags and stuff and boxes that I was really gravitating towards, but when I did come across Boxycharm, I definitely noticed I liked a lot of the brands that they seem to put in there. It seems to be a mix of palettes and also other kinds of makeup, but definitely brands that I like. So the only thing that kind of stinks about this box is, unlike Ipsy, where it's like at the $12 mark and Sephora Play was at the $10 mark, this is at the $25 mark. So you are going up, you are getting some full-size products with this, but you also are getting sample size as well. So that's the only thing that kind of stinks, is this is a little bit more expensive. And just to let you guys know, I did re-sign back up for Ipsy because I really want an affordable bag every month as well, because I really did enjoy those. And now that Sephora Play's gone, we're gonna go back to the originals. So again, without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and open this box up. Again, I am so excited for this. I have been waiting patiently while everyone else was getting their box this month and trying not to see what was in it. But it is a bigger box. It is definitely like a legit thing. I did get to pick one of the items in the box, so I will share with you what that is, because you do get to pick, if you get online and they send you an email, you get to pick which item you want, and they were good picks, guys. All right, so, ooh, here we are. It says Boxycharm up here. It's red, and then we have some goodies that I am already very interested in. So it looks like we have Dead Sea Minerals Vitamin C Serum Makeup Remover Wipes, even removes waterproof mascara by Ayam Beauty Care. You get 25. So this is actually really exciting. I love makeup wipes. I actually used to try out so many different kinds of brands on my channel, and if you've been around for a while, Yes to Cucumber has always been like my ultimate favorite, but I love trying new ones. I have never heard of Ayam. I don't know anything about it, but I'm super excited about it. Interestingly enough, there is an expiration date on here really randomly, and it says March of 2023, but I will go through these in a month, you guys. So that is super exciting, and that seems like a legit full-size product, so all right. The next thing I see is from a company called Wander Beauty, and I have heard so much about them, and I don't have anything from this brand. This is the Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil, and it's really cute, and it's actually like a really decent size, and it's in this really pretty pink packaging. I have not heard of this product. Like I said, I have heard of the brand. I'm just curious to do a little spot. Ooh, it's like pink gel. Interesting. This might be a full-size product too, you guys. It kind of has the rose smell, kind of like a fake rose, you know. Illuminating face oil. That seems really cool. It's not sticky or anything like that. And again, it came out in like a really neat like pink gel, but it kind of just sinks into the skin. Very cool. All right. Those are, again, a brand, like I said, that I have heard of. Oh my gosh, we've got a lip liner in here. What is this from? This is from Gerard Cosmetics. I don't think I've ever owned anything from Gerard Cosmetics, but it really looks like a really pretty neutral color. You know what that reminds me of? It reminds me of the shade Pillow Talk, which I happen to have like a deluxe sample, so I am excited about that. And this is in the shade Share. So let me do a little swatch for you now that I have Very smooth, very, very pretty. Just a nicely, like a neutral shade. Very, very pretty. That's definitely something that I actually could wear. It is funny, I like the packaging, I like that it's gold. I don't tend to wear a ton of lip liners, like I just tend to forget about them. That's like the one beauty product that I just don't tend to spend a lot of time on for some reason. Okay, so I have 2 palettes in here, and that is because I think when I signed up, you get like a bonus, like promotional one. So I think, I don't know which one is my bonus promotional one. Let me see. This is from Protégé SUVA Beauty. This is what this one looks like. It's got 2 faces on the front here. Yeah, this is the one that I picked. Again, I've never heard of this brand, but these are definitely like neutral shades, something that I certainly would wear. I do like kind of like shimmery oranges and a little bit of like purple raspberry there. And on the sides you get, it looks like highlights. This one's like a pinky purple one. Let me just do a couple of swatches just because pigment looks actually really nice. Now again, like, you know, I don't think you're gonna get necessarily, you know, from eyeshadow palettes that I don't know of. Like I said, I've never heard of this brand. I'm always a little skeptical, but definitely like these shades are neutral enough, like definitely ones that I would wear. And that is a nice pigment that comes off right there. So they are very, very pigmented. That shimmer is a really pretty pink shimmer there. And even that bronzy red shade, or sorry, auburn pumpkin shade, orange, the color orange. Y'all, it is late. It has been a long day. I'm actually like dressed up for work today, at least from the top up, because I actually had to do an interview today and we had to film it, and I've never actually had to do it like that before. It was my first interview that I've ever had to do with like reporters and stuff, so I'm kind of like, it's been a long day, y'all. Okay. Anyway, moving on. This is kind of cool, so I'm excited to try that out, and that is like a full palette, y'all. Like, we never got that in Ipsy, we never got that in Sephora Play, so this is definitely a step up. The next thing I see is from a company called Studio Makeup. This is the easy to wear eyeshadow palette. Again, kind of similar. It's very black, sleek. This one's a little bit skinnier. Interesting. This one has a very neutral, cool tone kind of shade range going on. There's only like one kind of like coral pink. Kind of reminds me of like the old like Naked palettes and stuff like that. So let's just see. Let me get that coral shade. And then let me get that. Ooh, this is a pretty cool taupe. And then let's do this like little, they're soft. They feel really soft actually. So let me give you guys some more swatches. All right. Those look decently pigmented. Not sure how those mattes are going to do, but the shimmer shade, at least the bronze shimmer shade, looked good. Again, I don't really know how the quality of these are going to be. I do know that they do give you eyeshadow palettes, and sometimes you get like actually like high-end ones. I was kind of hoping for that today, and oh my gosh, guys, there's one more thing in here. It is a full size to me, or at least I think this is full size. This is a Glam Glow mask, which you guys know I love to do mask reviews on my channel. This is the Hollywood, California Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. This is exciting, you guys. I've never had like a full-size Glam Glow, because Glam Glow, these are actually really quite pricey masks. I've always gotten like the sample size. Oh my gosh, you guys, and it smells like, it kind of smells like a strawberry milkshake a little bit, or like strawberry yogurt. That is really, really kind of cool. It's very milky, like a very milky, jiggly consistency. It's got little bits in there, so I'm assuming that that's little bits of berry. Oh my gosh, I might have to do this for my next mask try-on video. That is actually really exciting, guys. Okay, so we got a full size of Glam Glow. We got a pack of makeup wipes, full size. That's 2 things I like. A nice lip liner from Gerard Cosmetics. Something from Wander Beauty. Again, it's that Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. And I think this is, if this is not full size, this is like a decent travel size. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we did get a little palette here. Again, not sure how I feel about this palette. It didn't like strike me as like, oh my gosh, something to die for. I liked the free one that I got to pick. And actually, you guys, what's weird is the product that I picked on the website did not come in the box. So maybe it didn't get selected. I don't know. I've never done it before. This is my first time. But I have to say, guys, like, that is a pretty, I think, big box. Pretty cool, like, for our first one, and it's all falling apart. You guys, my vanity is an absolute disaster. Like, I need to clean it. I need to declutter. I've never done a declutter on my series. Oh my gosh, this is just like, it's chaos over here. You can't see it, but I'm probably going to show you guys. I need to expose it and clean it because it is a disaster. I, so far, am very pleased with my first box. Like, you know, some good stuff in here, and, you know, maybe I'll do a get ready with me video featuring these products. I do like to do those. Let me know what you guys got, because I know a ton of people get Boxycharm. So did you get anything different? I think they do give a lot of different boxes. I don't think they're all the same, which is really cool. I'm so far pretty happy with it. I mean, some of those were quite full size, like the lip liner was full size. I don't know everything. It doesn't come with a card, so you don't really get like a ton of information. And then also, this is just the base box. I don't think I said this earlier, but there is like a medium box that's like $35, and then there's like a $50 box, I think. So like, you can spend good money on like Boxycharm if you like up it, but I just wanted the basic box, and I do feel like you get a lot. You get a lot for 25 bucks in the basic box, but it was just fun, and you guys know I love getting these. They're just fun to do. I hope you guys enjoyed my first ever Boxycharm unboxing on this channel. Again, I'm just gonna keep doing it until, like, you know, unless I don't like them anymore. I am gonna get Ipsy, but that's not gonna come till June. I signed up last month, but like their wait list is not a wait list, but it just takes longer to get into the system. Like Boxycharm is like, we're right on it. For those of you that like subscription boxes, I also have a jewelry subscription box that I got, and then I do have my very last bark box, and I am going to do that with the dogs. I think when I canceled it, it made me do like 2 more months, so I am going to do that, and I feel bad because I love incorporating the dogs, so I know like they don't get to be on the channel as much if I don't do those videos, but I will find ways to incorporate them. I have a lot to say about dogs and products and all that kind of stuff, but feeling very inspired amidst our quarantine. I've had a lot of great ideas for videos. It's really fun to be back, and I feel like in the swing of things, uploading regularly. It's just been a lot of fun, and I appreciate you guys that are commenting and chatting with me in the comments. It's always fun to interact. So again, please share with me if you got Boxycharm, what did you get? And if you don't get Boxycharm, do you get another makeup subscription service? What are you loving? Let me know. Let's chat below, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.